Let me tell you about the KF8 fully automatic espresso machine. So this machine has all the bells and whistles. The fully automatic machine allows the consumer to create the perfect coffee at the touch of a button. They can search with the 40+ programs, all on the 5-inch color touchscreen. They can create and personalize their drink by adjusting the temperature, the strength, the milk to coffee ratio, and even whether they want milk or coffee first. The automatic milk frother not only steams dairy to perfection, but also plant-based milks, delivering the perfect texture milk every time. Once they've created their perfect coffee, they can save it in one of up to 6 user profiles. The KF8 has a durable, built-to-last metal-clad construction, a 2.2 litre water tank, and something new and exciting in the automatic coffee space is the removable bean hopper. The KF8 machine is certified by QuietMark as one of the quietest machines in the category, and it's also won an internationally recognised Red Dot Award for product design.